Don't underestimate a single block. It can build your unlimited creativity. If you're a DIY enthusiast, you'll fall in love with Birdster. It's not just a modular bird-watching tool to build with your own hands, but it also uses smart technology to recognize over 12,000 bird species, taking your bird-watching experience to a whole new level. What's even cooler is that AI transforms these birds into unique works of art. So your creativity extends beyond building into the realm of art. Hands-on, brain-powered, and full of creativity, this is what true DIY fun is all about. Click the link on our homepage and see what you can create.